I've got a fun and easy upcycle for you today using your bottle brush trees from last season or a couple seasons ago. They are still very popular as is, but let's step it up a notch. Take 2,325,000. Today I'm going to show you how to.
And this is where my microphone decides to die. You know, it's just one of those days where you try really hard and the whole universe is against you. But let's make this video work. Here I've been explaining how I got these really cool vintage cups for $1.50 a piece at the thrift store and how we're going to hot glue our bottle brush trees into them. But if you don't want to ruin or damage the cup you're going to use, you can also use Gorilla mounting putty. It's like ticky tack, like your school teachers used to use on the walls. I've also pre-cut some 3/4 inch pieces of wood. They're about 1 inch square and then 3/4 inch thick, because you need a little bit of a riser for your bottle brush tree to set on, or it won't go all the way to the bottom of the cup more than likely. Each cup is going to be different though. So we are just going to glue the block to the cup and then glue the bottle brush tree base. They should come with a little base onto the block. Now you can use the mounting putty instead for the block of wood into the cup, but then you'll probably want to hot glue or use wood glue for the wood block itself onto the bottle brush tree. Now we're just going to hot glue the bottom of the bottle brush tree and adhere it to the wood block that we already glued inside the teacup. All done. Now you can admire your work or get some ribbon and start playing around with some ideas. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy bottle brush tree upcycle. I look forward to seeing what you do with the ideas I shared.